Dumpster rental service in Rockvale, Colorado. Home renovation? Landscaping overhaul? No matter the project, Red Rock Disposal has the right dumpster. Our dumpster rental service in Rockvale, Colorado makes waste management simple, efficient, and hassle-free. When tackling big projects at home, the last thing you need is clutter piling up. Red Rock Disposal delivers dumpsters directly to your location, giving you the convenience and space you need to handle waste effortlessly. Contractors, we know your time is valuable. We offer a dumpster rental service to keep your projects running smoothly. From construction debris to demolition waste, we've got you covered with dependable, on-time service. Red Rock Disposal isn't just about convenience, it's about reliability. Our locally owned and operated business takes pride in serving Rockvale and surrounding areas with the personal touch you deserve. With our dumpster rental service in Rockvale, Colorado, you can focus on what matters most, completing your project, while we handle the waste. Let's make your cleanup easy. Call us at 719-396-2723 to schedule your dumpster rental. Trust us to deliver fast, reliable, and affordable solutions every time.